Hello, this is Tic Tac, and today I will be teaching you how to use subtitles on a YouTube video. So, right now I'll choose a video, and here we've got a video of one of my Minecraft videos, and here we can turn on subtitles by using this button down here, the one with like lines and dots on, and we get the subtitles. But then if you want to change some stuff about the subtitles, you go on the settings wheel and then go on subtitles and CC, and here you can add subtitles, turn them off, English or auto translate. So if you want it in another language, so let's choose something like, if we want it in Polish, it translates it automatically. And here, the thing is with these auto-generated, they're not very accurate. They can be some mistakes. So what you can do is you can add subtitles. And here we go into this new video window with the video here. And there's the subtitles available. And you could add new subtitles, and here you can choose which ones you can add, or you can choose another language. So if you want it in French or German, you can add it in. Here I can add, for example, Polish, and here I can create new subtitles or transcribe with autosync. This actually would work if I would add English, because this video is in English. I can transcribe and autosync, and here I just type
Hello, this
what
is Tic Tac,
it says,
and today
so hello, this is Tic Tac, and today we
are going to learn how
are going to learn, and we can do this so on, and then it sets us some timings. So here see this, it will set the timings, and that will be done, and then you can help contribute, and then or you can just do this version where you create new subtitles or CC, and here you get this editor, and
hello, this is Tic Tac, and today
it gives you the time, and you type it into the box. So hello, this is Tic Tac, and today we
are going
to, and so on. We do this, yeah, and then we can publish it. Yeah, and so this is how you add subtitles. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped, and you can try on some of my videos adding some subtitles. Yeah, so feel free to do that, and like and subscribe for more videos, and see you next time.